Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm gonna be making fejoada. If you don't know what is fejoada, is beans that is mixed with meat and vegetable. Fejoada is a Mozambican traditional dish. I'm half Mozambican and half South African, so I really love Mozambican this feijoada. My mom used to make this when I was still in Mozambique, so I really miss this dish, guys. So today I'm gonna be making and share with you guys how they make this feijoada. Okay, so let's go to the kitchen and get started. Okay, now I have my beans already boiled, so I soak overnight before boiling it. And when you boil, you must add some salt, not too much. And here is my cabbage. This is a cabbage. We're not going to use that much. I'm just showing what we need to do. So we have to cut in big pieces like I'm showing here. And yeah, I'm gonna just set aside and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the other vegetables. We got also onion. I chopped my onion. This is carrots, so you have to cut around like so. And here is my half tomato. It's a large tomato that I cut in half. We don't need too much tomato as well. I've got my chicken with bones. As you can see, I just give steam, not to boil. I didn't boil that much. I just give steam to just take out the smell, but you don't need to do that if you don't want to. And here is I have my fresh coriander. This is a green pepper, and yeah. So first we're going to add some oil in the pot and add onion. We're going to fry this onion for 1 minute. Okay, after 1 minute, I'm gonna add my carrots. Then I'm gonna add also my half tablespoon of garlic. So I'm going to fry this until it's light golden, the garlic special. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my tomato. I'm gonna cook until it's soft. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of vegetable spice. Now fry the onion until it's soft. Once you see your tomato is soft, add chicken and cook for 2 minutes. And to add more flavor, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 cube of chicken stock. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add our beans, not with water, just add beans and cook for 2 minutes before adding water. After 2 minutes, we're going to add water. This water is about 3 glasses. It depends of how much soup you want. So yeah. After adding water, we're going to wait for pot to boil. Don't cover, just leave it like this until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, now we're going to add our cabbage and green pepper. To add more flavor, I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 bay leaves. This is optional. If you like, you can add. If you don't, that's fine. Then you have to make sure you check salt before you're done with your cooking. So now I'm gonna just add some more salt because it was short. Then I'm gonna slow the flame and add some fresh coriander. Okay, in low flame, just cover your pot and let it simmer for 5 minutes. It's after 5 minutes, our fejoada is done, and tomorrow if you hear someone talking about fejoada, you'll know what it's talking about. So that's it for today, guys. If you did like this video, don't forget to give your sister Ime thumbs up, share with family and friends, and of course comment down below and share your ideas. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.